Na-shock ako dahil yung labing isa walang comment sa statement ni Secretary Remulla. Because napakaganda na ng usapan namin, first with the CIDG through informal and formal channels that susubo naman si Senator Jinggoy, dadalhin namin doon. And then afterwards sa labas, then nung dumating si Secretary Remulla, sabi niya, sige, kasi nga yung pamilya medyo they didn't to huddle kasi nga medyo emotional na. Pero kamdating sa hallway, nagbago. Every Senate President that I served under, whether I was the majority leader or minority leader, whether I was in the leadership or was just a simple follower, I gave them a chance. So let me ask the 11 majority who's asking me to resign up. Kahit na isa oras, binigyan mo ba ako ng chance? So let me go to the bigger issue ngayon. Yung pong dignidad, yung pong karamana, yung pong honor ng Celia. Symbol matters. Nabanggit ko po ito before. Why do we get angry pag bilastos ang ating flag? Bakit pagka hindi tumayo, pagka kumanta tayo ng lupang hiniram, ba't natin sinasabihan ng ang tapo? Bakit po ang Kristiyano man o Muslim, pag hawak yung Biblia o hawak ko ang Quran, ayaw natin po na, pwede mo sabihin, papel yun, mga pahina lang yun. No. But to us, those are holy books, diba? To the Muslim, the holy book is the Quran. To the Christian, the holy book is the Bible. So it's more than just a piece of paper, whether softbound or hardbound yun. There's a symbolism that matters. So, na-shock ako sa sinabi ni Senator Lacson. Na-shock ako dahil yung labing isa walang comment sa statement ni Secretary Remulla. Because napakaganda na ng usapan namin, first with the CIDG through informal and formal channels that susubo naman si Senator Jinggoy, dadalhin namin doon. And then afterwards sa labas, then nung dumating si Secretary Remulla, sabi niya, sige, kasi nga yung pamilya medyo they didn't to huddle kasi nga medyo emotional na. Pero kamdating sa hallway, nagbago. Diba? At sinabi ko dun sa hindi nakakalam dahil dun sa mga bata pa, masalimuot pero malalim ang history ng Senate ng Philippines. All parliaments, for that matter, parliaments in the past have been attacked by kings and queens, by president, prime ministers, by dictator, by tyrants, but even by the most democratic leaders. That's why may mga privileges. So in the case of former Senate President Juan Ponce Enrile, dalawa lang ang posisyon noon, panahon ni President Cory. And everyone knows, at pasensya na po sa pamilya ni Senate President Salonga at President Cory, in our conversation, minsan nasabi ko, panahon ni Cory, panahon ni Salonga, I meant to say yung buong pangalan, but it was, a fast and a biglang term Kasi ibang kibay pag-usapan namin ni Secretary Remulla, who's a friend? That's why they try to keep it civil. But nung sinabi niyang doon mismo sa hallway, i-aresto, it's not about Alan. It's not about Jinggoy. It's not about what they can do. Na-shock din ako nung sinabi niyang, you lost that right when may nag-state. Okay, first of all, it's not Alan's right or the Senate President's right. It is the right of the Senate of the Philippines. The Senate of the Philippines is different from the 24 senators and the SP. I never claimed to be the Senate. Diba? The Senate is the Senate. And it's a co-equal branch. So ang hinihingi ko naman lang sa lahat ng law enforcers, huwag niyong bastusin ang Senate. Bastusin niyo si Al Cayetano Coffey na, tabo lang naman ako Diba? Ganun din, diba? When they criticize the President, huwag naman yung office of the President ang babuhin natin. May prestige tayo, but let's hold certain things sacred. Yung ang religion na hindi tayo pare-pareho ng paniniwala, nagbabatian tayo, di ba? Parang nakita ko si Brother Robin, sinasabi ko sa kaya, Assalamualaikum, which is a greeting sa ating mga kapatid na Muslim. Pag may mga special occasion like sa Eid, babatiin mo ng Eid Mubarak. At minsan, this last time, siya pa bumati kasi nga po ano nang issues na nangyayari that day na alimutan ko. So we honor each other and symbols matter to us. That's why nga I was insisting, sir, lambas lang tayo ng pinto ng Senado. At siya naman po ay susurrender. Just to skip back and forth, no? Remember, Senator Bato did not escape. Mismong si Secretary Remulla said that day, wala silang hawak na warrant. At hindi naman sila nandun para rescue siya. So he's free to go. But, I didn't feel like arguing at that time. That wasn't my point. Senator Jiggoy was not asking for protective custody or sanctuary. So baka nandun nangyari yung miscommunication. But pagdating sa elevator, nakapag-usap kami ni Secretary John Dick, so more or less lang nagkaroon ng kabilinaw. Sa kaniyang press con, sinabi niya yung mga opinion niya. But I disagree with that, but I won't disagree with it. I mean, I disagree with it, but I won't argue. But nung lang ako nagtaa, Senator Lacson may silabi pang mabigat, yung iba, wala man naman salita si Senator Win, gusto maging Senate President. That would have been his chance. Umakyat, minority, majority, at sabihin, Sem, hindi issue si Jimboy. How you respect the Senate premises and how you will process his arrest is more important to all of us. That's why I was emphasizing, marami akong pwedeng gamitin na example. Bakit ko ginamit yung sa the great statesman and the great Senate President Salonga? Because Senate President Salonga was put in jail. He was injured in Plaza Miranda. Former Senate President Enrile wasn't Senate President yet then, was Minister of National Defense. He issued some of the arrest orders. And despite na halos kahit anong gawin ni President Porilon at kahit ano sabihin kasi talagang sa tao sobra yung pagmamahal, ano silang ni Senate President Salonga? Not here. Tapusin niyo yung sesyon. Pasalitain muna. Sabi nila, hindi, kasi pagka below 6 years, pwede mo doon. Yung kung kilasa kay Senator Gile na rebellion complex with murder was non-lailable. Diba? So, yung kung pakiusap ko, huwag natin idama yung mga institution, diba? DOJ, Ombudsman. We'll have issues with who holds the office. But we have to be mature enough, rational enough, professional enough to protect the image, to protect the dignity of these institutions.